All right, hey class, I'm here to talk to you about just the localizer part of the HSI. Madison's already gone over the HSI as far as you know. So, okay. Sorry. So, everybody just quick picture here. This is runway 27 going this way. This is runway 09 going this way, okay? Everybody knows that. That's the runways we take off of. Now, these ovals right here, if you look at the diagram, really quickly go over here, figure 96, the ovals that we see right here, that indicates that this is the front course. So this is the main course of the localizer. So if you're going this way, that means everything is reversed. So you need to make sure that you're setting your localizer with the front course, which would be 270. So now we look at this. This is on the from the 270. So this means everything is flip-flop because it's not to the 270 radial. It's from the 270 radial. So we're on the 2090 radial, which would be east. So we know that we're looking at this. I'm gonna draw it sideways so you guys can see. This is runway 27 going this way and 090 going this way. So if we know that we're on the 090 radial, that means we're heading this way. Our marker indicates that we are north of the localizer, but instead, because it's flip-flop, because this is the front course and we're not on the front course, we are actually south of the localizer, which means we would be somewhere over here. And then your direction of the plane will indicate the direction you are going in. So from there, you can kind of narrow it down and find out which of the orange arrows on the figure is the correct one. And then I'll do another one for you guys.
Yep.
Okay, so this is part 2. This is a little bit more confusing for you guys. If you want to follow along, it's on figure 97E and 96 in Gleim. So this is more about the localizers. Figure 96 is actually this one. It just has a bunch of really weird orange arrows everywhere. Okay, so back to this is the marker beacons. This is the front of the course, correct? Going to 270. So we are here. Our plane is heading. I just gave you guys a 45 degree because I didn't want to, I don't take marks. So our plane is heading in the 45 degree direction. We'll use that later. So right now our localizer is set to the 090 radial coming from the 270 radial. I'm sure you guys can all see that it has a little arrow here. So we're going to the 090 radial, so it means we're going this way. But it shows that we are south of the course, but if you guys remember, since we are headed from the opposite way, not the marker beacon way, that we have to flip everything. So technically, we are on the south. So we are south of the course, I'm sorry. We are south of the course instead of north. So we will be over here because everything is flip-flop, if you can imagine. So we will be south of the course. So we're still somewhere on this side of it because this is north. This is south, theoretically. Doesn't make sense, but yeah, anyways. Okay, so this will be north and this will be south, so we're on this side. Okay, so this will be, so we're going east this way, so this is north, east, south, west, theoretically. So we are heading to the 090, so we're going east this way, but instead, we are actually located on the south side because this line is flip-flop, so it would be over here, because we are opposite of the course. So we will be somewhere in this direction. Now we notice that our plane direction is 050. So if you guys can imagine, what I like to do in my head is draw like a little graph. Everybody knows that this is 090, this is 360/00. Try to find the 45 degree angle, which would be somewhere right here. So your plane would be, or your arrow on figure 96, the little orange arrow, would be pointing something like this, up that direction on this side.